Hi everyone, welcome to Get Health with Dr. Cooper Kitchen segment, a program designed to empower you, the viewers, on how to use food as medicine. We all know that the food you eat could be disease causing or could be disease preventing or curing. Today I have a very simple recipe for you. It's Greek salad. Now, I love salad, because depending on what you put in your salad, you could have a complete dish. Today we're going to be using garbanzo. Garbanzo is high in protein, high in fiber, and high in all the nutrients. So you need 2 cups of garbanzo already cooked. You just need to wash. And then you're going to be using 2 cucumbers diced. We're going to pour it in here. And you're going to be using some tomato, also chopped. And since it's a Greek recipe, we're going to have our olives. The olive will give it that salty taste. So we're going to add our olive, and you could put the amount you desire. To that, you add 1 medium-sized red bell pepper, chopped. Very, very simple and easy recipe. You're going to stir this, mix this together. And if you like onions, you can also put some diced red onions. Now for your vinaigrette, you're going to be using lemon juice, 2 tablespoonfuls of extra virgin olive oil, some sea salt, a pinch, and some oregano. So we already have it prepared here for you. So I'm just going to add that to this salad here. Now, in order to maintain a healthy lifestyle, you need 4 to 5 servings of vegetable per day. Some people think that's very hard, 5 or 4 servings of vegetable per day. But if you were to put all that vegetable in a salad, in one meal, you probably will have all your 4 to 5 servings of vegetables per day. Now, why do you need to eat so much vegetables? You know, vegetables are high in potassium, and for patients who are hypertensive, that is going to help. Now, if you are obese or overweight or diabetic, then a high concentration of fruits and vegetable in your diet will help to lower your weight, lower your sugar, lower your cholesterol, and keep you healthy for a long time. So for more information, then don't hesitate to go to my website. Now I'm going to show you the finished product, which I have here for you already. Very, very colorful. The more color you have in your salad means the more vitamins and minerals and nutrients you're getting in your diet. I'm going to taste this. It looks good. So let me taste a very tiny amount. See what it tastes like. This is wonderful. I like the olive flavor, and I also like the lemon flavor. Lots of vitamin C in the lemon juice. And for the olives, we have the good fat and the omega-3. So don't hesitate to visit my website, gethealthywithdrcooper.com or .tv, or cooperwellnesscenter.com, or visit me on the Facebook page and leave a comment. I'll see you next time, same station.